Ha kajing ipu iping la plie ka Lukha festival ka basau harut ka wa Lukha Sonapyrdi. Balapan long daga Sonapyrdi Tourism and Economic Development Society. Ha ka ba UMLA jo ka mawati uba Charles Marngar. Ulawan malong kumukongsan. Ha ka jaka uba Vincent H. Pala UMP ka Lok Sabha. Ha ba kren kumukongsan ulay ka jingaro kajing itanat ka jaka ka tain Sonapyrdi East Interis District. Ula kentui ki karkhana de bilat ki badan ka tain bakidai ban shim khialam ban kentiwi ka tain. Ulai ru kajing kublai ki bokir yang eka society bakana kiu shaprang bad ulai tiru eka song pisa ke basilak tingka hau secretary joka states uba KS Suchang kum kajing ais ngubaha balapa doba Vincent H. Pala. Kane kata masa lawan ru bansaki da kinong jong akai perthei kiba nakari Russia kibalapan pau kajing smutanat jongki habayu I kamariang ba itanat Sonapyrdi bat kilong ru bakinsa hadu bandakut jong kane kata masa. Kine kibanari Russia kajing shisha kimut banlai shasilchar Asam Herenda kili ke jingpu jingping ke jaka kila sangi no sendan Sonapyrdi badhiar syakwa Lukha berashiman talang hakan dikata masa. Kibala ajing kran ki kentubru Deputy CM ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council balaski rembai wahe shnong Sonapyrdi uba Edimon lamare wat baisar ke states uba daya perbahala mare uba amuan pasyang wahe shnong mula melyang representative management joka star semen lumshnong udebenda bansal uba grimlang dekhar bat kiwe. Ha kane kasngi lapan ku buromru ikitu ki balai shiman talang ha kajingyai ke balai sngi lanter syaulum ba bo bakong kijat ke bayai lengba barungi ka klau joka narpu wildlife sanctuary ka bala penlong da ka Sonapyrdi Tourism Economic Development Society mana ka arpolai arposau bat arposan tarik unaiwing arjar arpolai badia kane kata masau an penkut la syai kasngi ka lai tarik urampang arjar arposau
kum kadak jong kajing pli ya kane ka fort Lukha Festival Arhajar Arpo hangne po Sonapyrdi ngan od yaune ribuan kene po. Sama.
I waro apen UI seperti kinong sor kiwa sor da thaki itu galai restoran bam chow bam fried rice dan ya lagi Dayok iwan cecunong kendong yang senyok kemen gila yok kijing bam kiwa pelah dan kata kadau emkam to iporo hap rakhati kepertai kerdukam kewi kepos lagi lakngut kibro apply kam gini dan kata kadau emkam hap promote ya kepersen kiwa emsap aga chat kiwa emsap Cina gini mau kitiar traditional kitiar tenrai gitu ni. Lada kepor kebangi hapan pekan. Lada rem kanor kim ken. Lada ke itnat subuh mendakan ni kejaka jongpi. Toh kepor liur le sekan dapom berkoi. Aku kepor liur ngila ban bu de kiling hang ni. Kiberi kinuan songling hang ni. Kena samlau layok banyak ling nenem. Layok kamai nang ni. Ulaim janang ni kindan segi dukan ter let's say kindan segi homestay ba pinsna bondli gi homestay hang tu layo aikam ban pen khoi itu gi homestay ban shed jing shed na ka tu ga jaga sa philayo ban sio kinong wan sa kitores jongi kinwan sa philayo ka baisa anong tu na kaliang yung ki MLA ni baha yung pi Kularo, khmat yang pi, ini site aku assembly. Banyak keren, nak mentaban promote ya ke tourism. Tegawai bang aku aban kerpan pi kinong song chnong waro. Kabar dongkam yang i kalong ba, ngi dongkam kajing kuit ba kajing itana. Barok kibawan sa kanila festival, sumar kuit. Pek mana kiwan gitu ki foreigner ni kisong main tu po siap ben lada kidap kilap badan bilor pat yang tu siap kilap hanya banwan tolong entah idon kamban sumar ku ya kani kecaka kejong kejing itna itip nem kadang kejing bam hang te syaboy emi tau ketuga chnong
climate change Henry langba yung semen oye change ya ka environment ha ka jing im yung kamnu upuni utangkai ya ka ni ka sodong sapun ka yung wat kham tam le ya kani ka thau ka wa maya wada e kerpang blai I kham tam ya kani ka narpo wa life century nga hijing mo nga man wa interest bah chpang ka I kam tu unwa la uti wajo depoi wa hakipon ki thau ki wa em hapo ari India chogowa wa chari Dubai UAE Qatar le yo wa kani ka thau dang tam kani ka thau yong I kani ka wa em hawa Lukha ada penmiat penbahai kita ki ye kitam ya kita ki kiri Middle East le kiri Arab katkum ko jiyo nga em kam ko jing kre lang wa ublai dong ya luti I kam ko chnong dang ye ko jing start ko jing champang nado wa chnong nado ki nong chong chnong hado ki nong ki kam yang ka society wora yuluti wa hakini kisnam dang yo pen bha pen met chuchu ya kani ka wa wat ya kani ka saudong saukun yang yo chna yo ye skim ki oper yo chna ya ki viewpoint ne ki homestay wa kamte chipon ki activities manale hini yo kita ki tourist ki wan sakini ka thau ka maya I dini kiten kitbok kerwiang wa kani ka festival uman ka wajab uman ka le ka yo nong ini
to thank Sonapyrdi Tourism and Economic Development Society, who is taking all the pains every year and organize so beautiful function. So they used to invite me every year. So I am part of the function. So I am very happy from our side to be part of this function, and they have taken very long pain that Mr. Quill, Mr. Dayal Lamare, Adiman Lamare ji, all is a very energetic, and then they are taking so much pain to give the beautiful activities which is seen and beautifully decorated the area, and people like to enjoy, and it's a joy, and they enjoy a lot in this. We also used to come for picnic and all is a fun for this area, and as Mr. Daya said ki this for this area this is the like tourism sport can be developed in a big way, and in coming time we will try to sir with along with everybody's help we can talk to that chairman DMF, and then we can organize a good area, develop good area for the future, so that will attract more tourists in the area. I have seen some foreign tourist also has come this place, so it's becoming a good destination, and I'll thank all the village people and those who are the part of this function, and this is now getting famous every year, so might be it will come in a very big way in coming to this area. We will also be like to part of this function every year, whatever contribution from our side. Mr. Quill has a from Cement Association, and Cement Association has whatever from their capacity they has extended hand to with the society, and will also be part of every year in future.